Now I'm starting to show you some buffalo and cow for milk purpose. This is a small cow. She was born last month, and Alhamdulillah she is doing well. This one is a brown one, and her mother is there. She is her mother, and she is Australian breed, and her color is dark brown. You can say black, but her child is brown, mashallah. And we have got some more over here. These are local cows, and they are some children of buffalo, and mashallah they are all very good, healthy. Now mashallah they are all goats inside, not all, half of them in this cage and half of them outside. We have got alhamdulillah brown one, which is breed like a deer. This one is a deer goats. Oh no, night. If you can see this one, the brown one, this one I like because it's a similar deer. They have got very small ear, and they have got things, different kind of things. Alhamdulillah, this work is called sunnat because all the prophets used to do goat farming, goat business.
The FA goats are for Qurbani purposes and they are pure and organic home-raised breed. If anyone's interested in buying these animals for Qurbani, please call us on our numbers shown on the screen now. Thank you.